All right, guys, I am at Spinnaker Cove, a gated community with townhomes where all of the townhomes come with a deeded dock. So this is a newer dock. It was built after Hurricane Sally. It has flow through for the decking, and every single property in this neighborhood comes with a deeded slip. This slip for number 24 is quite large. I would think that it would be able to fit a 40-foot boat, but buyer would have to verify. There is power and water with the slip as well. And we've got a great view of the front gate of NAS. That is the bridge to the front gate. We are on Bayou Grande, and we've got a nice view of the base, and then White Island is right around the corner as well. Again, there is power and water with this slip. Deep water access. This is, I dare to say, maybe 10 minutes from Pensacola Pass. It is super accessible if you're a fisherman and you're looking to get through the pass, and right by the intercoastal. So the bay is just right around this corner right here, right past White Island. So this is Bayou Grande, the front gate of NAS, and the intercoastal is just right around the corner. So super accessible if you are a boater or fisherman. Again, this is a deeded slip coming with unit 24 at Spinnaker Cove, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome.